It all started 13.8 billion years ago, with Big Bang and the creation of the universe. Several billion years after, the universe is filled with superclusters, galaxies, black holes, stars, neutron stars, planets, asteroids, and probably all kind of stuff that you can ever imagine. Ever wondered about our position in the universe? How does a blue marble look like, in the vastness of 93.4 billion light-years? Our Earth with several other planets are a part of solar system, which itself formed 4.6 billion years ago, with Sun as the center, which accounts for 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Sun itself is one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way, which you know is a galaxy with 100 billion stars, spread over 100,000 light-years in diameter. Within its center, it contains a supermassive black hole, known as Sagittarius A, assumed to be a supermassive black hole of 4 million solar masses. It is supermassive, but this black hole seems to be a tiny speck of dust when we take a look at the biggest known supermassive black hole. Ton 618, the most supermassive black hole ever known, has a mass of 66 billion solar masses. That's about the biggest black hole. When you are looking at a picture of our galaxy, you will probably see it as a large galaxy, but it is not. If we look at galaxies, our Milky Way with a diameter of 100,000 light-years is a very typical small galaxy. Even Andromeda Galaxy, which will collide with Milky Way in 4.5 billion years, has a diameter of 200,000 light-years. Still, there are smaller than many of the 2 trillion galaxies estimated to exist in the universe. Why not we look at the biggest known galaxy till date? Located almost a billion light-years away, IC 1101 is the single largest galaxy that has ever been found in the observable universe. Just how large is it? At its largest point, this galaxy extends about 2 million light-years from its core, and it has a mass of about 100 trillion stars. But wait, that galaxy is nowhere on the scale of large structures spread across the universe. There is a thing more enormous and bigger than this. Hercules Aurora Borealis Great Wall, or the Great GRB Wall, is the largest known superstructure in the observable universe, measuring approximately 10 billion light-years in length. For perspective, the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's the biggest we can talk about now. Let's talk about our home planet, Earth. And by the way, we didn't know who named Earth. This little planet formed over 4.5 billion years ago. But it is not little for us. Earth is the only known planet in the solar system and Milky Way and probably the whole universe till this exact moment that bears intelligent life. But this estimate is made by humans and probably, it is not true. Life started originating on Earth 4.1 billion years ago, and then evolution of this life forms led to diversification. Talking about species, in the whole history of life on Earth, over 99% of all species that ever lived on Earth are extinct. Earth has faced 5 major mass extinctions till date. Each resulted in the elimination of species in mass numbers. The last one happened 66 million years ago, that we all know killed the dinosaurs. At this exact moment, there are about 7.7 billion humans on Earth, sharing Earth with more than millions of life forms that live in oceans and land. Till now, scientists are not able to predict the total number of life forms on Earth. Their estimation of species is in trillions. But how scientists will ever exactly estimate the total number of species if they only know and searched only 5% of the Earth's oceans? This amazing and weird things are never gonna end. And we will talk about it till our brains get exhausted. If you think this video is awesome and mind-blowing, then give it a like. And subscribe. Start thinking. Every like counts.